Welcome to Upstyle Press. In this video, I will show you how to connect your Instagram to Facebook page. To start this process, your Instagram page must be a professional account, either a creator or business account. Only then you will get the option to link your Facebook page. So, to connect your Instagram to your Facebook page, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. If you see this message on your profile, professional dashboard, that means your Instagram is using professional account. So to connect Instagram to Facebook page, tap Edit Profile button. After that, in front of Facebook, tap Connect. You will see Connect or Create a Facebook page. Select Continue option. Log into Facebook, press Continue, and select a page from this list. After that, press Connect button, and your Instagram account will be linked to that page. Once your accounts are connected, you will be able to share your Instagram post to your Facebook page and vice versa. So this is how you can connect your Instagram to your Facebook page. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.